Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. We have a mail call from a Everyday City Carry giveaway, actually. Check out this really cool sticker. And this one as well. That's awesome. Everyday City Carry. Go check them out. I'll leave a link to their channel in the description. But yeah, I was hanging out on their live stream and they had a giveaway going. And I picked one of these up. This is an Asher Knives Kudo I'm using to open up this this package that we got here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Really cool stickers. Oh, here we go. Look at this little guy. I cannot recall the name. I'll go ahead and post that up on the... Oh, that is awesome. The Variable Warncliffe is what it says. By Kaiser. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is awesome. Whoa. That is awesome with that micarta handle. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is awesome. Wow. I'm looking forward to carrying this. That's wicked. That's so cool. Go yeah, definitely go check out Everyday City Carry. And thank you again for the awesome opportunity and the giveaway win. Really cool stickers. Really awesome. Dude, this is an awesome knife. I'm looking forward to carrying this. So yeah, cool. Thank you again. Thanks for tuning in, checking this out. I'll carry this for a little bit and let you guys know what I think about it. I'm looking forward to it. Very much so. It's compact. It's enjoyable. Wow, that is just... There's so much to work with here. That is awesome. That is so cool. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, carry your personality.